Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Just thought I'd come on today and show you the project that I've been working on. So I started with Gelli print of Reeves acrylic paint in the lavender colourway and my 6x6 Gelli Arts gel printing plate for just a basic background. This is a little bird design, a little appliqué design that I came up with probably a couple of years ago that I've used on a couple of projects, and I wanted to play around with it a bit more today. The basis of the fabrics, the one on the left that you can see that I'm sewing now, that fabric's made up of some crazy patchwork that I made up quite a while ago, and I used bits and pieces of it here and there. And I attached bond web to the back of the shapes and then ironed them into place on the Gelli print background. I then went in with 3 motion stitch, as you can see now, and sewed over the top and gave it more definition. And I really love sewing these birds because I play around with the haircuts that they have, and it's just really fun. Just sewing the wings and putting the eyes in. And here you'll see me go back over certain sections. That's because of the crazy patchwork. Some of it's lifting a bit, so I just stitch it down into place. Just trimming off my ends here, neatening everything up, and the same on the back. I like the back to be as tidy as the front as far as possible. And then here I've got a piece of calico which has bond web attached to the back with my iron, and then I use my typewriter, which I've recently had fixed, and I stitch that into shape, and it says "I love being with you." And I decided to make this into a little zippered pouch. It does fit in an A6 sketchbook. So it's just a simple zippered pouch, and here you can see me just stitching the pouch together. Just pivoting on them corners on my sewing machine with the needle down, being careful going over them zippered areas. And as you can see, I've left a space at the bottom there so I can turn it inside out. And once it's turned right side out and ironed, I close that shut. I gave it a final press, and then here I'm attaching some wooden beads that I naturally dyed with indigo, pomegranate skins and tea, and just putting those on there as a zipper pull, tying some knots at each end. And here is the finished product. I hope you like it. Bye!